cuties, good morning to all. Class 5th standard, subject Maths. Previous video we learnt division. Last class homework session exercise 2.4F. Dear students, did you complete your homework? Okay, now check your answer and correct yourself. First question. A cement factory produces 37,500 bags of cement in a month. Then, how many cement bags are producing in one day? Let's see the answer. A cement factory produces bag of cement in a month equal to 37,500. Bag of cement in one day equal to 37,500 divided by 30. We already know that 1 month equal to 30 days. Here 37,500 divided 30. First we take 37. How many 30s in 37? Yes, 130s are 30. Now we subtract the number 30 from 37. We get 7. Down the hundreds place number 5. We get 75. How many 30s in 75? Yes, 2 30s are 60. Subtract the number 60 from 75. We get the number 15. Down the tens place number 0. We get the number 150. How many 30s in 150? 5 30s are 150. Subtract the number 150 from 150. Now we get the number 0. Down the ones place number 0. 0 is not divisible by 30. So put 0 in quotient. So the answer is quotient equal to 1250. Remainder equal to 0. Look at the second question. 8,075 mangoes are harvested in mango garden. If 95 mangoes have to be packed in one package, how many packages will be there? Check your answer. Total number of mangoes equal to 8,075. Number of mangoes in one package equal to 95. Number of packages required equal to 8,075 divided by 95. Here 8,075 divided 95. First we take 80. 80 is smaller than 95. So it is not divisible by 95. So we put 0 in the quotient. Now we join the tens place number 7. We get the number 807. How many 95s in 807? Yes, 8 95s are 760. Now we subtract the number 760 from 807. We get the number 47. Down the ones place number 5. We get the number 475. How many 95s in 475? 5 95s are 475. Now we subtract the number 475 from 475. We get the number 0. So the answer is quotient 85, remainder 0. Third question. In a street, 25 families are living. They need 1,625 liters of water per day. If so, how much water is needed by one family? See the answer. Number of families equal to 25. The need of water per day equal to 1,625 liters. Need of water for one family equal to 1,625 divided by 25. Here 1625 divided by 25. First we take 16. 16 is smaller than 25. So it is not divisible by 25. So put 0 in the quotient. Now join the tens place number 2. We get 162. How many 25s in 162? Yes, 6 25s are 150. Now we subtract 150 from 162. We get the number 12. Down the ones place number 5. We get 125. How many 25s in 125? Yes, 5 25s are 125. Now we subtract the number 125 from 125. We get the number 0. So the answer is quotient equal to 65 and the remainder is 0. Fourth question. In a tempo van, 6,750 bananas are loaded. If arranging in 15 baskets equally, then how many bananas are in one basket? Let's see the answer. Number of bananas equal to 6,750. Number of baskets equal to 15. So number of bananas in one basket equal to 6,750 divided by 15. Here 6,750 divided 15. First we take 67. How many 15s in 67? You know the 15th table. Calculate. Yes, 4 15s are 60. Now we subtract 60 from 67. We get the number 7. Down the tens place number 5. Now we get 75. How many 15s in 75? Calculate. 5 15s are 75. 75 minus 75, we get number 0. Down the ones place number 0. 0 is not divisible by 15. So put 0 in quotient. So the answer is quotient equal to 450 and the remainder equal to 0. Dear students, today we are learn about patterns. Patterns are present everywhere around us. Patterns are regularly repeated arrangement of colors, shapes, designs, lines, etc. on a surface. What is a pattern? Yes, a pattern is formed when a set of shapes, numbers or designs are repeated over and over again. Patterns are created when shapes, figures, objects, numbers, colors are arranged in particular order, repeated over and over again. Pattern in geometrical shapes. There are two types of patterns. They are growing patterns, another one is repeated patterns. Next, patterns in shapes. Identify the missing patterns. Look at the shapes above. There is a triangle, square, rectangle and a circle. Do you know the pattern? Once we recognized the pattern, then the missing shapes can identify easily. Can you identify the shapes? Yes, square and a rectangle. Here we can see some examples of patterns. So we can create various forms of patterns using objects, geometrical shapes, pictures, numbers, sounds, touch actions, tapping, and physical actions, clapping, jumping. Next we will learn about patterns in numbers. Growing patterns in numbers. If some number patterns grow with odd and even numbers, they are called growing patterns. Let's see the example. First question. 1, 3, 5, 7. Find the next two numbers. Skip one number. Answer 9, 11. Next question 10, 20, 30. Find the next two numbers. Multiples of 10. The answer is 40 and 50. Third question 17, 19, 21. Can you guess the next two numbers? Yes, 23 and 25. Next, repeated patterns in numbers. If some number patterns repeat with odd and even numbers, they are called repeated patterns. Example 24, 24, again 24. Next question 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, again 1, 5, 6. Next question 101, 102, can you guess the next two numbers? Yes, 101 and 102. Now, to identify patterns in square numbers and triangular numbers. First, square numbers. Do you know square number? For finding the square of a number, we multiply the number by itself only. A square number is always positive. The numbers like 4, 9, 25 and others can be expressed as the product of a number by itself. For example, 1 into 1 equal to 1 square. 1, 1 is 1. Next, 2 into 2 equal to 2 square. 2 2s are 4. Next, 3 into 3 equal to 3 square. 3 3s are 9. Next, 4 into 4 equal to 4 square. 4 4s are 16. Can you guess the next square number? Yes, 5 square. 5 5s are 25. So, when you multiply a number by itself, the result is a square number. Once again, when you multiply a number by itself, the result is a square number. Dear students, today your homework, exercise 3.1 and exercise 3.2. Do it carefully. Thank you, students.